Hey guys, so I went to Target today and I picked up a couple goodies. One of them being the Revlon, Revlon brush blow dryer. So a friend of mine actually recommended this and I'm like super excited to try it because I love my curly hair and I also love wearing my hair straight. I suck at blow drying it like really good straight by myself. It's just too much work. I'm not on that level of like with the brush and the blow dryer kind of thing. I'm not really good at that. Like I could get it pretty straight, but it'll be kind of puffy in some sections and the ends will be kind of like puffy. I can't really master the, so I'm really excited to try this out since it's already a brush with the blow dryer, so it's only one motion, not trying to do two. So hopefully I can get my hair straight with just this, and then I don't have to also pass a straightener because I'm trying really hard to cut down on the heat and try to like not kill my curls or like get crazy heat damage. So I've been trying to straighten it less, but I still like both looks. So I still want to be able to do it, but to be able to do it with just blow drying instead of having to pass a straightener, I think will help a lot. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna try it, test this out. So far, I just washed my hair. I got this microfiber little towel thing at Target as well. Has a little button. You just put it on your head, wrap it, tie, and then just like tie it in the back. And it literally, my hair actually already feels really dry, so that's good. It cuts down the drying process, so it's gonna cut down the amount of heat my hair is about to take. So let me just like section this off. At least this is how the girl I saw did it. So, because usually when I blow dry my hair, I kind of just let it all loose and just start. First I throw like a little air on it to dry it up a little, and then I'll go in with the brush and I kind of just swing it like, hopefully this will work. Try to go back and fix some pieces, but I never like section it off and like go piece by piece, which is probably why it looks like crap, and then I have to go in with a straightener. A friend from work actually recommended it, and then I was looking it up on YouTube. Well, did I even look it up or did it just come up? You know, those kind of things that come up with you, that you just talk about it and next thing you know the ad's coming up. So I don't remember if I actually looked it up or it just kind of popped up on my YouTube, but I saw the girl, she was testing it out, and then she compared it to a bunch of similar products, like the higher end ones, and from what I saw, the couple videos that I saw, it looked like this one was like the better one. So, and it's the cheapest one I think that you could get, so that's exciting. It's always good to save some money. So I'm gonna test it out. I'll just like fast forward through this process, give you my thoughts at the end. So I opened it up. This is what's inside. It's just literally the brush. It's pretty big. It's not heavy, at least. That's the one thing I was worried about, because I saw her like two-handing it at one point and I was like, ooh, is that shit heavy? Because you already know if you have curly hair how long it takes to get it straight, and you're there working out your arms. So I'm like, if this is heavy, I'm probably gonna die. But it's pretty light and it's pretty big, honestly. It's gonna be interesting. My hair is at least pretty long right now because I did cut it in the summer, I think. My hair grows pretty fast. I just washed it. I put a little conditioner in it because I haven't been buying leave-in conditioner. I've just been using a little bit of conditioner. Oh, I'm gonna get my heat protected. I'll be right back. I knew I was forgetting something. So this is a heat protectant I have. I'm just gonna spray it in my hair quick. like a lot, and my hair is really thick, so it usually takes me a really long time to blow dry this melena, pero let's see. I don't know if I should time it. Should I time it? How long it takes me to do this? I'm scared to time it. It's my first time, so I don't think I should time it. Let's just see if it works. Okay, it really threw me off how hot this thing gets. Like, just from putting it in hot, like, I already felt how fucking hot it got. And, like, I didn't even have to put it, like, near my head yet, and I already felt it. I was like, holy shit. It's like getting in the way of what I'm trying to blow dry at the moment. What? This is crazy. Sorry, I had to pause it and then I started recording again because my fire alarm started going off, which is something that actually happens almost every time I blow dry my hair because they're just so sensitive. I'm obsessed. I also brought out a fan in case you hear it. The struggle is real. It's actually not that cold, so my apartment's like pretty hot right now too. And my hair, oh my god, it's so sorry, I'm like dumb. I keep brushing into the hair that I have already like held away. It's only a tiny little section on this This is crazy. Oh my god, I love it. My hair is so hot. I'm here burning my fingers. Stop. I also have a light on me. Oh my god, whatever I said while the music was playing, I'm gonna have to cut. Because it probably won't let me post the video with the music in the background. Anyways, I also have the light hitting on me. My apartment's really hot and this thing is really hot. So my cheeks are getting like pink a little bit. Oh my god, I love this thing. I'm obsessed. Okay, last little pedacito because this is really it. Oh my god. I think I have to go over like the root here a little bit, and that's pretty much it. I'm dead. Like, I am so dead. My hair literally feels so soft. Because when I pass a straightener, my ends they start feeling a little dried out, crunchy. Like, you could feel like it's really straight, but it's not like dead. Oh, it has volume. It's straight. It feels healthy. It looks healthy. It's my dog squeaking his toy. I love it. Oh my god, it's so easy to use. And I understand now why the girl was two-handing it. And it's not because it's heavy. Like, obviously you start feeling it after a while, but my blow dryer is definitely heavier than this. And it's just because it's so big, it's easier to turn when you're like, eh. It's also this little section here is so helpful when you're like, but yeah, I love it. I love how it came out. It's super easy to use. It gets really hot, so it definitely straightens your hair really good. I was actually kind of scared because I felt how hot it was getting, and I was like, oh my god, is this gonna burn me when I try to like straighten my roots? Because obviously I don't want my roots to be wavy, and you see they are so straight, like they look amazing, and you don't feel it. Like, it does not burn your head. You get a really good blowout. This looks so good. It feels so healthy, and it was so easy to do. Highly recommend. And I think it came out to like, I have to check on my phone, but I'll link it down below. I think it was like 37. I'll double check. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, it was 37.18. 37.18. The other ones I think are like a couple $100. 37.18, and it's amazing quality. It works so good. I actually ordered it while I was at work. They didn't have it in the Target that's by my job, but they had it in the Target that's like near my house. So on my way home, I had already ordered it. I just went into like where the customer service area is and went and picked it up. So I highly recommend. It did a really good job, and I have a lot of hair, and my hair is really thick, so it usually takes me a really long time, and I get so tired And I feel like this just went by so quickly because usually I'll have to blow dry it and then straighten it, and it's just such a process. Like, I dread it every single time. But this did such a great job. I'm obsessed. Like, obsessed. Ding. Please, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share it with your friends. Anyways, good night, guys.